Today, we'll be taking a look at the fuse block on this Samsung French door refrigerator. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, must first remove our cover here. It is held on by 5 Phillips screws. When you get your screws out, do note that this one is a machine thread screw, so you keep that one separate. Then, to remove your panel, you will lift up, slide it out, and set it to the side. Now that we have the panel removed, we have clear access to our fuse block here. Now the main reasons why you'd be accessing your fuse block is if the unit has no power. And what you can do is, you can use your meter, and you want to test on the metal sides of each one of these fuses. If one is blown, the fuse block will need to be replaced. Now in order to replace it, I'm going to keep the wires on there just so I have something to grab onto while I pull it out. You'll press in on this tab over here, pull it out. You will just press in on the locking tab on the Molex, separate it from the fuse block, and set it to the side. When installing your new fuse block, first we're going to install the wiring. The red obviously goes with the red, the blue with the blue. We will swing it in at an angle, pop it in place. Now we can reinstall the cover. When reinstalling your back panel, first we'll bring in the top and bring it in at an angle and drop it on those hooks there. Next, you're going to go around with all the regular screws, followed by the machine screw at the end. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.